Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to present our final project about Landstar systems and the operational challenges faced by Landstar systems. So I'd like to introduce my colleagues Kanwarpal Singh and Pawandeep Kaur and myself Tarun Sai. So I'd like to give a brief description about the company. So Landstar Systems is a US Canada based transportation and logistic company which is called as Landstar System, uh, which is based on like transportation and logistics. So it was founded in 1988, and the business is run through a network of independent sales representatives, and logistic services are provided by this Landstar system. So the services offered by Landstar system is truckload and shipping, the rentals, and also air and sea freight forwarding, warehouse and delivering services. So the business is renowned since its start of the business for its cutting edge technology, high safety standards, and dedication towards its customers. So I would like to describe about the operational challenges which is faced by Landstar system is lack of semiconductor, which has become a major issue across the world and also for the Landstar system. So semiconductors are utilized in many different electronic components, including automobiles, and scarcity of these components has caused supply chain interruptions, delays, and increased prices for Landstar system and its clients. Delays of delivery for new trucks, trailers has also become major issue for the Landstar system. In turn, this has led to a rise in price of old trucks which have been used, and also trailers, as well as harder time for Landstar system to replace this machinery. So the operational challenge has continued since the COVID, because the production of semiconductors have been like stopped across the world. After the mass production of semiconductors started, many companies uh, have to pay like larger sums of money for the purchase of semiconductors, which has become expensive for the Landstar systems too. So this has also caused the customers to pay more for their services to be taken from Landstar systems. So I'd like to forward this analysis to Pawandeep. She will explain about the technology-based solutions that we have come across in order to just overcome this issue of semiconductor unavailability in Landstar systems. So Pawandeep, you can go ahead.
Yeah. Hi everyone. So we did our analysis. So we come up with the three solutions. So first one is cloud-based technology. Moving Landstar infrastructure to the cloud is a possible solution. Systems that are hosted in the cloud can be accessible from any location with an internet connection and are typically more adaptable and scalable than conventional on-premises systems. By switching to the cloud, Landstar might be able to lessen its reliance on tangible chips and make use of cloud-based servers that are looked after by cloud server providers. By doing this, Landstar may be able to lessen the risk of supply chain interruption brought on by shortage of semiconductors. IoT capable gadgets, Landstar might also use Internet of Things gadgets to automate and improve its supply chain operations. IoT device may gather real-time information on inventory levels, shipping status, and other crucial parameters, enabling Landstar to make data-driven decisions that can help mitigate the effects of semiconductor shortage and save wastage. So next slide, please.
Yeah.
So, for example, shipping containers can have IoT-capable sensors installed on them to track their locations and temperature, helping to minimize product deterioration and guarantee on-time delivery. So third solution is blockchain-based system as a final option. Landstar might employ blockchain in technology to increase the security and transparency of its supply chain operation. A distributed ledger technology called blockchain enables secure, impenetrable record keeping, which can help fraud and guarantee that all parties participating in a supply chain transaction have access to the same data. By deploying blockchain-based solution, Landstar may be able to lower the risk of supply chain interruption brought on by a scarcity of semiconductors by building a more robust and secure supply chain network. So these are our solutions based on our analysis. So next one is recommendation, and that would be presented by Kanwarpal Singh.
Hi. So based on all the analysis of three technology-based solutions, we have come up with recommendation of adoption of IoT technology. So this approach has the greatest potential for long-term gains, such as increased effectiveness, cost savings, and decreased danger of future supply chain disruptions. Other semiconductor sources and suppliers diversification can help to alleviate the current shortfall, but they could not offer the same level of long-term advantages as IoT technology. So, in conclusion, each of these technology-based solutions has benefits and disadvantages of its own, and Landstar would need to carefully assess which solutions would be the best fit for its unique requirements and limitations. But Landstar might be able to enhance its supply chain processes and lessen the negative effects of semiconductor shortages on its firm by utilizing cloud-based technologies, IoT gadgets, and blockchain-based systems. Next slide, please. So on the next slide, it's the implementation plan of the technology, IoT technology that we have recommended. So it is the introduction of IoT technology in the company, installation of IoT devices, testing of the devices, training the employees for using the IoT tech devices, and finalizing the setup, which will be done in from week 1 to week 5. Next slide, please. So in this one, it's the business case, the whole business case. What is this? What's the problem is? So as mentioned by my colleague Tarun, so the absence of semiconductors, which is the necessary part of many electrical devices, including IoT devices, is a problem for Landstar. So the supply chain has been disrupted by this deficit, which has also decreased the operational effectiveness. The Landstar system can overcome these difficulties by integrating IoT devices, IoT technology, which can benefit Landstar in variety of ways, such which include and including by enhancing the supply chain management, tracking assets, and preventive maintenance. For instance, Landstar can track the state of its fleet of vehicles by IoT devices, identify prospective maintenance concerns, and plan maintenance before failures happen by utilizing IoT sensors. By doing this, the company assets may last longer, and uh, this can also have technology can also help Landstar system optimize its logistics processes by giving real-time information on whereabouts and condition of the cargo. Next slide, please. So by giving the customers exact delivery times, this can enhance customer satisfaction as well and improve inventory management and lower the chance of lost or damaged goods. And no doubt there will be initial investments in hardware and software, but the training may be necessary for like implementation of the technology. Yet there may be a large return on the investment. Like still, if there we can say that there is a huge investment in that, but the returns will be really good. The IT technology may give like Landstar a competitive advantage in the market and raise profitability by enhancing operational effectiveness and decreasing the maintenance cost and improving customer happiness. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.